Welcome everyone to another LogixTrader quick guide. My name's Lachlan, I'm one of the sales traders here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize all the different order types available on LogixTrader. So right now I have the euro dollar up on the chart, and let's say I think it's going to go up, so I would like to buy it. Very simply, you'll see in the top left hand corner, you'll see a green buy and red sell button, and in the middle is the quantity. So if I want to buy this pair, I just need to go ahead and click on this buy button, and what that will do, that will place a market order. A market order will execute the trade right now as the market's open at the price that you're seeing right here on the screen now, and I'll go ahead and do that for you. And we can see it's confirmed order field in the top right hand corner. It says the amount of units and the price we got in at, and you can see it down here below as well, the asset that we're trading, the time we got involved, the direction of the trade, the amount of units, and the P&L. Now let's just say I still think price is going to go up, but I think it may pull back in the short term, and that's when I'd like my buy order to execute. And I'm not going to be in front of the screen all day, so I do want to make sure that my order is still filled if I'm away. All I need to do is click up on the top left hand corner here, this button that says new order, and a new terminal is going to pop up. We quite simply just need to put in the amount of units, 1,000 units or a micro lot, the direction, either buy or sell if you want to short. On the left hand side of the terminal here, you can see the three different order types that we have available. The one that I'm going to select on here is limit order. A limit order is known as placing an order at a better price. So because we're buying, a better price would be below the current market price of 1.083. Now, I would like to buy if price pulls back down to $1.08. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the entry price here. We need to specify the amount of units that we'd like to purchase. I'm going to stick with a micro lot of 1,000 units. We can enter a stop loss or a take profit here if you'd like. We've also got this expiry button. So let's just say, for example, that I only want this order in for a week. All I need to do is click on this expiry button, and then I specify the time that I want this order to be automatically cancelled for me, which is a really handy tool. And then if I'm happy with all that, I just got to click on this green place order button here. I'll get a confirmation. It'll provide me more details about what I've just done, and it's in there. If I'd like to modify it, I can click on this button here. If not, maybe you've looked at it a bit later and you want to modify it, just click in here. On the trade terminal, you'll see positions and order, and you simply just got to click on this modify button down here on the right, and it will bring that terminal up for you again, and you can alter any details if necessary. Now I want to show you the other order type that we have available, which is known as a stop order. So again, I'll go on the top left hand corner, click on new order, and I'm going to go and click on stop order here. Now what a stop order is when you're placing an order at a worse price. And an example of that would be when you're buying at a price that's above the current market price. Now the reason why someone would want to do that as opposed to just buying it at a lower price right now is you could be waiting for price to break out through resistance to confirm that the trend is going to continue to the upside, and that's when you'd like to buy. Now you may be stepping away from the screen, maybe you're based in Australia and you want to buy some US stocks if they break out. Well, you're able to do that without even being in front of the screen just by selecting the stop order, which I've done that now. We're going to click on buy. Again, we select our entry price. So this is euro dollar. Let's say I want to buy if it breaks this resistance up here at $1.09. I'm going to put that in the entry price for us now, $1.09. The amount of units, stop loss and take profits if we need to. I'm going to go ahead and click on place order. It's now confirmed. And now, if price goes up from here and reaches $1.09 up here, then our order will be executed for us. Now, another very handy feature of LogixTrader is that if you don't want to have to go through the process of clicking on new order and then putting in the price that you'd like to place a limit or a stop order, well, a very handy feature is on this scale here. For example, we've identified that this level here, there may be some resistance, and we may want to put a short order in there. Rather than getting this price, I can go over to the right here where we can see this price panel, and there's a little plus button we can click on. If I click on that, you'll see two options. It'll say buy at this level, sell at this level. I'm going to click on short, click on here. It's going to be a sell limit because again, we're selling at a better price. Put in the units, you can adjust the price, put in the stop loss, place order, and it will do that for you. And I'll do it on the buy side as well. So let's just say we think price may pull back to these levels down here and meet some support, well, I'm going to go ahead and click on this button here and place a buy limit right there. We can see the price is specified here, the amount of units. Go ahead and click on order, and that's all done for you now. That's all for this LogixTrader quick guide. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.